Our primary school counts about 1,963 children. We have been working with them since 1973. I'm Father Crisante Guasa. I'm the parish priest of this parish, Gikondo parish. I am a Pallotin.
There is a school on the hill, not far from the ADP team headquarters. Every day, 2,000 children climb the hill to go to school. By midday, the metal roof is baking in the sun, and the red clay dust clings to the children's uniforms. Father Crisante is a Rwandan priest and the school's administrator. It was from him that we learned why the children are missing class.
The biggest problem we are facing now is the problem of water.
Every day in the capital Kigali, a brief rainstorm passes overhead. The water hits the roof and runs onto the neighbor's property, taking the earth with it. And the erosion is so severe that the ditches next to the school road are 15 feet deep. What to do with all that rainwater?
We have no sufficient water in this school, and this is why we have the problem to clean our classrooms. Every Wednesday, I think in the afternoon, they go down there to fetch water.
To accompany the children to the water hole, Father Crisante sends a teacher.
My name is Mr. Jack.
Eva, Izo, Ewa. I want to see the one who is the hands up. Yes, sir.
The verb of the day is to go. I go, she goes, but they all go to fetch water. Leave it to Jack to put words into action. Not this water.
Here in Rwanda, we are using plastic tanks. If they could have water in the same place, they could stay there and study. They are wasting their time in going there.
Down the street from the school is a rototank, a business selling plastic tanks for collecting rainwater. We popped in to have a look.
Suppose up to 0 to 10 tank is buying that time we are going for a special price.
There we found an Indian man who told us it's easy to install a plastic tank for catching rainwater.
If you are buying for 1 tank, if you are buying for 100 tank, we are giving for you 35 years guarantee.
The price for the system was a little out of our reach, so we struck a deal with Father Crisante. We will raise the money for the tanks if he will buy the gutters. Then we'll all get together to install them in time for the rainy season. And of course, we'll put it all on camera.
Every Wednesday they have to go fetch water and they miss their lessons when they do this. We took a look at the school and we found out that it wouldn't be that hard, that the school needs about 3 tanks and the buildings 1, 2, and 3, we could direct the rainwater into these tanks and we could store the rainwater for the children. The students won't have to go fetch water on Wednesdays, they won't miss their lessons, and presumably they'll learn a little bit more.
So today this video premiered to the public marks the beginning of the Water Ends campaign. We have half of the funding committed. To help the Gikondo school with the rainwater tanks, take a look at the rap sheet under the support basket. We won't leave Rwanda until the rain tanks are full.